We take safety and security very seriously here on campus, but we can always do it better. And so we were looking for a solution to not only fill in the gaps that our existing security solutions offered, but we wanted to add more. Our students are modern. They're looking for modern tools for what they're doing here in school. And so we looked around and didn't find too terribly much, but when we found SafeZone, it basically covered all of our bases.
Before we was doing SafeZone, we had the blue boxes on campus. So the blue boxes were if you ran into an emergency, you would have to run up to the blue box. And dealing with the blue box, it was kind of hard because if you were unsafe, everybody sees you run into the blue box. So now with the SafeZone app, we don't have to do that anymore. It's different levels of emergency, and the SafeZone app helps us with that. We have saved a tremendous lot of money on having the SafeZone app versus having the blue boxes out on the campus.
It used to be that services that we provided were kind of passive. They were passive in the sense that students were either signed up automatically for some alerts. They weren't really engaged with the product. And so they didn't even necessarily recognize when an alert went out that was important to them. Whereas now, from the initial enrollment activities and engagement and their first steps on campus, this product is proffered to them. It's like, sign up for this, get activated, as quickly as possible. This is very important for you. So it shows not only that we care, but it gets them involved in their own safety, giving them a proper tool.
With me being the HR director and over public safety, I deal with a lot of, I would say, hard conversations with employees. And I did have an employee that tried to reach to me over my desk. And luckily with the SafeZone app, I hit the alert and public safety came in less than 1 minute. We had a student that was lost in the reserves out here. And with the SafeZone app, they clicked the app and we could find them immediately. We had a student in the lounge over here in the admin building, and she hit the button for a medical issue, and they came right away. She had passed out.
The safety of the students is obviously paramount to us, but it must be paramount to their parents and guardians. And so it's almost just an added bonus that we can let those parents and guardians know that we do take the student safety seriously, and here's how we're doing it. It gives us baseline information that we just didn't have before, that we can prove, we can show, look, if there's ever an event, however highly unlikely, they'll know about it, we'll know about it, we'll communicate it, and it'll be open. And so it's just, again, this added benefit that we almost didn't even think about, that for enrollment purposes, shows how much we care. It gives everybody a common platform to talk about safety. And so when it comes time to do annual safety alerts, they know exactly where it's coming from and that it's official and that we're all on the same page. And so every department realizes that they're valuable, that the college values them. Everybody has the power to inform public safety when they need either assistance or guidance, or just get help in general, whether it's mental health or basic first aid. So it's really brought everybody together in the sense that they recognize that safety is of a primary concern for everybody. SafeZone brings safety to the forefront without being in your face, actually. It gives control to the person using it. It allows our faculty and staff as well to have access to safety features that they just haven't had before. So it was quite an improvement. It's not a monitoring tool. It is purely a life safety.
I'll tell them it's a perfect tool. We have it on our phone. And then when you run into a situation that you might need SafeZone, it's right here with a click of a button.